Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginners series, and in this video we are going to play with variables. So here is our second exercise of the series, that is save a copy of your favorite fruit in a variable. Using that variable, print your fruit 50 times. So let's understand the question. First, we have to save our favorite fruit in a variable, and second, we have to print that fruit 50 times. Okay. So before we start writing the solution, let's see what is variable. A variable is a named location in a memory that stores a value. When you create a variable, you reserve some space in a memory. So you guys can think a variable is a container for storing the data or storing the values. Okay. You can use the variable in your program to store, retrieve, and manipulate values. To create a variable in Python, you just need to specify a name and assign a value to it using the assignment operator. As you guys can see here, it's an equal operator or assignment operator, we can say. Okay, so let's write the solution for this exercise. So let's click on this new file icon and write it our Python file name, that is save favorite fruit in variable .py, that is Python extension. So let's write the solution. First, I'm gonna use the comment. Okay, save a copy of your favorite fruit in a variable. Okay, so let's write favorite fruit equal to apple. Okay, and we'll use the print function to favorite fruit. Okay, so here is our favorite fruit is our variable equal to apple, and we are printing this value. Okay, so let's save the file. Let's run the code. And as you guys can see, here is an apple. So we have completed the first part of the question. We have saved our favorite fruit in a variable. Okay. Second one is using that variable, print your fruit 50 times. So what we will do in our previous question, in our exercise 1, we use this multiplication operator to multiply the hello world, right? Let's save the file and let's see. Okay, it is working, but it is not in a new line, right? We don't want this. So let me clear the screen and let's see. First, we have to write the bracket. You have to use the plus sign /n for the new line. And after this, after closing this parenthesis, you can write the multiplication operator here 50 times. What we are doing? We are multiplying this favorite fruit value 50 times. Okay. And we want the output in a new line. That is the reason we are providing this /n here. Let's save the file and run the code. Okay, so it is there. Now apples are in the new line. So we have completed our second exercise of variable. Now let's see the next exercise. Okay, so here is our next exercise, that is use input function to ask for your favorite color and store it in the variable that is my color. Okay, use input function to ask for your friend's favorite color and store it in the variable that is friend's favorite color. So in this example, they have given us the variable name. But before writing the solution, let's see what is input function. The input function in Python is used to read user input from the standard input, that is keyboard. It prompts the user to enter some data and then return the data as a string. We use input function to ask the input from the user. So let's see the solution of this exercise. So here is our file name, that is save favorite color in a variable. So how we will use the input function, let's see. First we'll create my color variable equal to input function. Okay, it's a function. Let's write enter your favorite color. Now we print my color, my favorite color. Let's save the file and run the code. Enter your favorite color. Black, black. Okay, we can say like this as well. Your favorite color is my color. Okay, we have stored our favorite color in this my color variable. So let's save the file and run the code. Red, your favorite color is red. Great. And clear the screen. We have done our first part of the question. Use input to ask for your favorite color and store it in the variable. Now the second part of the question is use input function to ask for your friend's favorite color and store it in the variable called friend's favorite color. Okay. So we'll use the same function, that is input. Enter your favorite color. Print. Friend's favorite color is, now we'll write the friend favorite variable. Save the file and let's run the code. So enter your favorite color. My favorite color is black. So here is our output, that is your favorite color is black. Enter your favorite color. Red. So friend's favorite color is red. Enter your friend's favorite color. Let's run the code. Enter your favorite color. Black. Your favorite color is black. Enter your friend's favorite color, that is red. So friend's favorite color is red. So this is how you can use variables. Okay, so we have completed this exercise, right? And in this exercise we have learned the variables, okay, how to create variables and how to assign value to the variable, and we have also seen this input function. So now it's time for the homework. So whatever we have learned in this video, you have to implement this. So let's see the homework exercise. Exercise 2.2, that is write a program that asks the user for their name and then prints a personalized greeting. So you have to use the input function and you have to create the variable, and in a print function you have to greet the user with their first name. So it's a simple exercise, give it a try, and we'll upload the solution in the next video. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please share this video with your friends and your colleagues who wants to learn Python, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.